Now let's see the rules of divisibility. If a number is given and if you have to find out whether it is divisible by 2 or not, just look at its units place. If the unit place is divisible by 2, or if it is even, then you can say that the entire number is divisible by 2. So what do I mean by unit places? If you take this number 2698, this 8 is the units place. Now if you look at this units place, if it is divisible by 2, you can say that this number is divisible by 2. Yes, it is divisible by 2. Now similarly, divisibility by 3. The sum of the digits of the number should be a multiple of 3. So what we mean by this is, you add all this up, right, which means 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4. Now you get a number. If that is divisible by 3, then you can say that the entire number is divisible by 3. Now in this case, if we add all these numbers, we got a sum of 33. Since 33 is divisible by 3, then definitely this number will be divisible by 3. You can check it. Okay. And next one is divisibility by 4. The number formed by last two digits of the number should be a multiple of 4. So what I mean by this is, if you look at this number, you take the last two digits. So the last two digits means the units place and tens place, which means this one and this one. Now you form the number. 44 is the number. Now if you form this number, if it is divisible by 4, then this number is divisible by 4, right? So for example, if you have, let's say 1224, now the last two digits is 24. Now 24 is divisible by 4, and so you can say that 1224 is divisible by 4. Next one is divisible by 5. So the last digit of the number should be a 0 or a 5. Now if you look at this, in these two examples, the last digit of the number is 0 here. Here the last digit of the number is 5. So if the last digit of the number is either 0 or 5, we can say that it is divisible by 5. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177. And IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply. And statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is, we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.